Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, about as wide as the Atlantic Ocean. It's the closest planet to the Sun and experiences extreme temperatures, super hot during the day and freezing at night. There's no life on Mercury, as it has no air to breathe. Fun fact, Mercury's surface is covered in craters, so it looks like a giant golf ball. Too bad there aren't any space golfers around. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and almost the same size as Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's twin. However, it's far from friendly. Its scorching temperature is hotter than Mercury, and its thick clouds are full of poisonous gas. Fun fact, a day on Venus is longer than a year. Imagine having bedtime only once every year. Parents would love it, kids maybe not so much. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is the only place we know of with life. It's just the right size, the fifth largest in the solar system, and has a cozy temperature with lots of climates. Over 70% of Earth is covered in water, making it a vibrant and life-sustaining world for creatures like you and me. Fun fact, Earth has over 8.7 million species of plants and animals. And yet, humans still can't agree on pineapple on pizza. Mars, the fourth planet, is often called the red planet because of its rusty soil. It's about half the size of Earth and very cold. While scientists haven't found life here yet, they're on the lookout. Fun fact, Mars has two small moons called Phobos and Deimos. They kind of look like misshapen potatoes orbiting a giant tomato. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It's so big that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. It's a cold world, and has no life, but its 95 moons are full of mysteries. Fun fact, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has lasted for over 300 years. It's like the ultimate tantrum that never ends. Imagine being grounded for 3 centuries. Saturn, the sixth planet, is famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. It's the second largest planet but very light because it's mostly made of gas. It is far too cold for life. Fun fact, if you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float in water. Rubber ducks, watch out! Uranus, the seventh planet, is about 4 times wider than Earth and has a chilly atmosphere. It's too cold for life but stands out because it spins on its side, like a rolling ball. Fun fact, Uranus is called an ice giant, but don't try skating there, it's not made of ice, just freezing gas. Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, is another cold giant. While life isn't possible here, Neptune is famous for its incredible winds, which are the fastest in the solar system. Fun fact, Neptune is so far away, it takes 165 Earth years to go around the Sun once. That's one very slow lap. You definitely miss your birthday. Next video will be all about stars and galaxies. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video for more.